Hello, my wonderful classes. I've had a lot of students ask me where things are at because they're just not sure where to find them in Canvas. So I wanted to take some time right now to go over number one, where the ICANNs are, where my other resources are, and then we will be starting REACH this week. So I wanted to show you where all of our REACH information is. So I'm going to go ahead and transition to my computer screen so that I can show you exactly where everything's at. Okay, here is my computer screen, and this is, my home page, and I'm going to go ahead and click on modules right now. Okay, and the first thing that you see are my course resources. This is where our ICANN ebooks, fluency pages, and anything that I think that might be useful to you, you would find here. So for instance, here's my 5th grade ICANN ebook, my 5th grade math fluency pages, and then I also included a 4th grade math ICANN ebook for my students who need to review some of the 4th grade standards. And then I have my 6th grade ICANN ebook, 6th grade fluency pages, our math graphic organizer for my 6th graders, and then they're making a cell project that they've been working on for the last 6 to 8 weeks. And then I also have exercise ideas here. There's some links to some YouTube videos on how to get active inside, and then PE ideas and fun movement activities for you to do. Okay, I'm going to go back up to my ICANN ebooks to show you how to use your ICANN ebooks. So if I click on my 5th grade math ICANN ebook, okay, here's my ebook in here. You can also download it right here where then you don't have to pull it up every time in my modules. That is up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and bypass these pages till I get to an ICANN. So here's ICANN 5.1. So if you're a student who needs to review how to read, write, round, and compare decimals, then you would want to do 5.1. So you have lots of different choices here. If you need to go right back to a basic lesson, you can click on Learn Zillion right here. There's Khan Academy, Sophia lesson, read and write decimals to the thousandths, compare decimals. These are all just basic bare bones lessons. Let's go over it again. And when you click on, these are live links, so when you click on it, it'll take you straight to that link. So now you can see that I've pulled up the Khan Academy place value in decimals, and you can click on place value and you can watch a lesson here, or you can do a review. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of that. Or you can do practice, and these practice pages are from IXL. So I'm going to click on practice, and here's IXL. And I went ahead and gave you the login for IXL through the email and announcements. And here you can do different problems. You'll submit it, and it'll tell you if you got it correct and how many you've gotten correct out of 100. So you can do as many of those as you want to. Okay, next is our online games and activities. So these would be like in Brain Pop. So here's Brain Pop, sorting and rounding, roll the dice decimals, Decimal Jeopardy, which is a huge favorite to many students. And then here's written work. So these would be pages that you'd actually print out to complete. So kind of like from our ICANN bins at school. So these would be the pages that you actually print out. Okay, now I want to scroll down a little bit more, and here's performance tasks. So performance tasks are real world word problems, and they usually have multiple parts to it. So these are just some different performance tasks that you can do. You click on them and it'll take you. So rounding to the tenths and hundredths was one of them. Oh, that one's no longer live. Okay. Illustrative is a big one. So let's try comparing decimals on the number line. Yay, not found. Tenths and hundredths. Let's try that one. Page not found. Okay, I do actually have some performance tasks. So if you let me know, I can make sure to get you performance tasks since these links are no longer working for performance tasks. Okay, so then let's say you want to work on a different ICANN. So you just scroll through till you get to the ICANNs that you want to work on. Every ICANN has the same options. So online lessons, additional practice, online games and activities, written work, and then performance tasks. So you would just kind of have to try to see which ones work. And if they don't work, page not found. If they don't work, please let me know. I do have performance tasks that will work for you, okay? So you just continue clicking through and go through the ICANNs and work on different activities for you to work on. I also have my ICANN bins here with me, so if you need something, please let me know because I can always get that for you. Okay, I'm going to go back to my modules. Okay, and then you have your fluency pages. So these are just basic practice, and it could be adding and subtracting, decimals, multiplying, dividing, and you just choose which page you want to do and print that out. And it's very flexible. See, it's just simple adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals or whole numbers depending. Okay, so it's the same for 5th and 6th grade, but they're right here. Here's my 6th grade one. It looks exactly the same. You just scroll through. Just so you guys know, the very first page just gives you our links. So like the Sophia one is free, but you have to set up an account. Learn Zillion is free, but you have to set up an account. Here's your BrainPop username and password. And then I also gave you the password for IXL that we are using till the end of the year. Okay, so you just scroll through till you get to the ICANN you want to work on, and you choose what you want to do: online, practice, performance task, check for understanding. So lots of different choices here for you for each of the ICANNs. Okay, so that's where that is. Let's go ahead and go back to our modules. Anything that we do here in our virtual class, I will upload to other resources. So 6th grade, you have your cell model project is right here. And then 5th grade, you guys are also working on Matter STEM projects, and I'm going to be adding that to our other resources or course resources. Okay, I'm going to scroll down now because this week we are going to be starting Reach. So I'm going to scroll down to this week. My Canvas has all the weeks, yours does not, so that's good. So let's go to, here we go. This is this week right here. So we are online learning 323 through 327. Here's where you can find our online learning expectations that Mr. G and I put together. Just gives you a rundown of the different components to our virtual learning. And we sent that out last week, but I wanted to have it here for you guys just in case. So there's that, and I'm going to go back to modules. And I have to scroll down again till I get to our week 31 online learning. Okay, here it is. All right, our learning online weekly schedule. This is the weekly schedule that Mr. G and I put out for you guys. It tells you exactly what you are doing in each of the classes, and we kind of break up the times. The only things that you have to do as far as the time goes is the live sessions with myself or Mr. G. Everything else is very flexible, and the idea here is that you are given about 4 hours of work every day, and that's split in half by Mr. G and I, so that you can not only continue with your learning, but also have fun because you're at home with family, and we want to make that time special for you guys as well. And then right underneath are our Reach groups. So Tuesday and Wednesday I'm meeting with my 5th grade Reach group. So here's my 5th grade Reach group list. So if you click on that, that'll show you which group you're in. And then for 6th grade, your 6th grade Reach group is right here. And I will be meeting with 6th grade Reach groups on Thursday and Friday. Okay, and then, so since Tuesday, I'm meeting with 5th grade. I have my link to my live session right here for Reach. And then I'm going to be meeting with groups 1 and 2 tomorrow. And so we're going to be working on rounding fluency and subtract fluency. And so I'm going to put those right in here for you guys. And then tomorrow when I work with groups 3, 4, and 5, I will put your worksheets right here. And then Thursday and Friday when I do your groups for 6th grade, your worksheets will be right under with the live link for you. Okay, so everything is in Canvas. I know everything kind of gets blurry and there's just so much in here and there's so many resources, but I just wanted you to know where everything was at. And please reach out to me if you have any questions, because I don't mind, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to support you in any way I can. I do provide answer keys when possible, and that's why I like to do the live sessions so that I can work with everybody. If there are other questions, please let me know, because since many people asked me about where are the course resources, where are the iCan ebooks, I wanted to make sure I provided that for you so you know where they're at for the rest of this year. Okay, well, thank you guys very much, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye.